So you just have to go on it, and then you can move this like this, and then click the bubbles, like to pop it. You know how you like to pop a bubble wrap on the when we get it in the mail?
Oh yeah, you know, yeah, mommy. I know how to put. Remember, I put Mimi's little
Bubble wrap?
wraps.
Yeah, it's just like that. Here. You gotta pop them. Okay, because I'm sorry, Kai.